Welcome to the session of types of evaluation data. Now when I say types of evaluation data, it means that what kind of UX data can be considered for evaluation. Now there are four types of UX data which can be considered. First is objective, second is subjective, third is quantitative, and fourth is qualitative. Now because these dimensions are orthogonal, we can have various combinations of it to make up the data. First is objective and quantitative, or objective and qualitative, subjective and qualitative, or subjective and quantitative. Now depending on these types of collection of data, we can specify the UX target and finally achieve it for evaluation. When we come for the first one, it is called as objective UX data. It means that we collect the data which is directly observed by the evaluator or the participant. Like for example, it could be good, better, or you can say some options are missing, etc. When I say subjective data, it represents the opinions and judgments or some kind of subjective feedback from the client or the users or the stakeholders. Like for example, the color combination is not suiting to the eye, the buttons are not placed properly, etc. Next we come to quantitative data. As the name goes quantitative, it means that we are considering numeric data. Now when I say numeric data, it could be based on some kind of ratings or some kind of performance metrics. Like when we ask some questionnaires, we can give the questionnaires the options in the form of scaling from 1 to 5. That becomes quantitative data, where user will put up the values either 1, 2, 3 or 5. When we come to qualitative data, since it is non-numeric and it is descriptive, we describe over here with different techniques, such as first one, think aloud technique. Now when I say think aloud technique, it means that whatever the thought process is going on in user's mind, the user speaks out directly to the evaluator or to any person who is observing the user. Second is called as critical incident. The critical incident is an event observed within the task performance that is a significant indicator of some factors defining the objective of the study. For example, what activity the user is performing, what artifacts are involved, how is the user doing the task, etc. So when I consider about data, we can have both objective and subjective, which can either be qualitative or quantitative. Thank you.